Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. Can you simplify this without a calculator? Square root of 48 times 49 times 50 times 51 plus 1. We will start the solution of this question without using a calculator. We have square root of 48 multiply 49 multiply 50 multiply 51 plus 1. As we can see that we can write this as 48 as a 48, and this 49 can be written as 48 plus 1 for our easiness, and this 50 can be written as 48 plus 2. In the same way, 51 can be written as 48 plus 3 plus this one as it is. Now we can see that 48, 48, 48 and 48 common in this term. We will suppose x equals 48. Now we will replace 48 by x in the above equation. So our equation now becomes square root of x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 plus 1. Now we will rearrange these equations. We will group together x times x plus 3 and x plus 1 times x plus 2. So the equation becomes x times x plus 3 and then x plus 1 times x plus 2 and this plus 1 as it is. Now we will multiply this. It will be x into x is x square plus x into 3 is 3x. This is x into x, x square. X into 2 is 2x. 1 into x is x and 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1. Now the equation becomes x square plus 3x, here x square, 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 plus 1. Now x square plus 3s, x square plus 3s common in both the terms. We will suppose m equals x square plus 3x. So equation now becomes this whole replaced by m times m plus 2 plus 1. Now we will multiply this m inside the square root. It will be m into m, m square. M into 2 is 2m plus 1. We can write this as m square. This is m square. This is 2 into m into 1 plus this 1 can be written as 1 square. We have done this because we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. This whole term is similar to this on the left side. A square is m square, 2ab is 2m1 plus b square is this 1 square. So equation becomes square root of m plus 1 whole square, a plus b whole square. This square cancel is square root, we get m plus 1. No, but we have supposed that m is equal to x square plus 3x. So we replace m by x square plus 3x plus 1. So it will becomes, what is x? X is 48. So it is 48 square plus 3 into 48 plus 1. We can write this 48 as 50 minus 2 whole square plus 3 into 48 is 8, 3, 24, 2, 3, 4, 12, 14 plus 1. We are doing this because we are not using a calculator. Now this is 50 minus 2 square is 50 square, 2 square minus 2 into 50 into 2 plus 145. What is 50 square? This is 2500 plus 4 minus 2 into 50 is 100, 102 is 200 plus 145. Now it is 2500 plus 4 minus 55. 200 minus 200 plus 145 is minus 55, or it is 2500 minus 51. 2500 minus 51 is 2449. This is the final answer. So we have square root of 48 times 49 times 50 times 51 plus 1 equals 2449. This is the answer. We have not to use a calculator to find any value. We have done manual calculation, and I hope you understand this video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not to forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching